Hey, how are you doing? This is Reza and I do digital marketing and AI automation. And today I am very excited to show you a little JavaScript code which is going to change your life. Basically, for those of you that you work with this platform named Kleinanzeigen, this script would be very useful. We know this website, it is a very useful website if you want to sell your car or if you want to offer your service or just sell your second-hand household, like your carpet and so on. This website would be very useful. But the problem of this website is because this website is very famous. Every day there would be millions of new ads coming to this website, and basically if you put your ad after some hours gonna be disappear. So we want to solve this problem. Of course, there would be some other solution, like paying some money to this Kleinanzeige to pin your ad or just to update it frequently, but you have to pay for it. But this solution that I have is completely free. Just imagine that you want to sell your car. You have a Mercedes and you don't want to wait. You just want to sell it and get the money and buy a new car. So if you just put your ad, probably you need to wait with this normal situation of this website. You need to wait like 1 month to just get some messages from the people. It depends how good your car is and so on, but it takes time. There would be other solution that you kind of edit your ad, you edit your title or your description frequently every day, but this is not gonna work for me because I am busy. So what I have done, I just came up with a little script, a little JavaScript code. It took me like 2 days to create this JavaScript, and the result was amazing. After I just use this script, and basically this script is gonna edit your title, is gonna rotate your title 6 times a day. And that in Kleinanzeigen, when your ad will be edited, Kleinanzeigen will just put your ad to the top. So can you imagine that every day, without doing anything, your ad will be on the top of the search engine? And this is very amazing. So what you should do, you should have one server, of course. You can do it with your computer, but from the computer, the code must be running 24 hours. So you must have one server, and you can get it like from Hetzner, like €5 per month. This is much better than paying to Kleinanzeigen. And then the setup process would be very easy. First of all, you install Node.js. Node.js is a library to run JavaScript code in your computer. And then afterward, you need to install Puppeteer. Puppeteer also is a library that lets you to control Chrome browser. And basically, whatever you do manually with your browser at home, you can do it with coding with this plugin named Puppeteer, like clicking, like filling up the form, like going to the next page, and so on. So first you install Node.js, then you create a project folder, and then you install. You will create one environment, and then from that environment you install Puppeteer, and then you just create this beautiful JavaScript code, and then you name it something. I just put it like Klein.js, okay? And here you put your email for your Kleinanzeige, you put your password, you put the URL from your ad that you want to This is, I mean, you want the script to change it, to rotate it. And then you put here the titles that you want to be changed 6 times a day. So I have one ad, and this ad was here, and I want the script to change the titles with this order. Okay, so I'm not going through the whole coding because probably is nonsense for you, because I mean, you don't know what is going on, and this is also not very important. The only thing that you know is this solution exists and how you should use it. And also you will just create one other file named .environment, and also you put your email and password here as a backup, because sometimes the script which is gonna do login sometimes is gonna be log out, and then again the script should log in again. But this is not very important. Just create one JS file, one .env file. This is one abbreviation for environment, and then you are good to go. So for those of you that you are able to run this JavaScript code, you can download it from my Telegram, from my YouTube channel. For those of you that you are not able to run this script but you want to use it, maybe you can just write me and put one comment. Maybe I can run it for you from my server. That is also possible. So let's go to run it. So now we just go to the folder that I have this file, and then I just write here node Klein.js, and then let's see what is gonna happen. So here we have my email, and then we have the URL of the ad, and we have the time zone Europe Berlin, and we have 6 titles rotating 6 times a day, and then we have here the full schedule 8, 12, 4, 14, 16, and so on. And the next rotating would be like in 51 minutes, and we have to wait. So this script must be running in your server. You can, from this command, probably when you terminate your your putty, basically, that you connect with SSH to your server, this JavaScript will be terminated. Probably you need to use this command pm2. So for those of you that you don't know what is pm2, just you go and search it in ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will tell you what is pm2. With pm2 you run this script in the background. And when you close this session from your SSH server, still this JavaScript will be running behind the scene. Okay, so if you have any other question, you can just put a comment, and then I'm gonna come back to you and answer. Thank you very much for your watching.